So in this video, you'll learn how to use your Huawei Band 10 to dismiss calls. So sadly, this feature is only available to people who've connected the Huawei Band 10 to the Android phone. If you're an iPhone user, then you won't be able to actually end or dismiss any calls that are coming in through to your band. So from here, all you need to do is simply just wait for a call to come through to your phone. And once the call has come through, you'll notice that it also appears on the band. So you have two options. You can choose to send a quick response, and you have all of these preset responses, or you can just choose to tap on this hang up button like this, and you'll notice that even on your phone, it's also reacted by hanging up the phone call. So those are the ways that you can dismiss a phone call using your Huawei Band 10. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.